Are you looking to avoid the major mistakes when hiring a Concord solar installation company? Are you looking to speak with somebody about your installation needs? Avoid these mistakes before you get in too big of a hurry. Research and do the things you need to do so that you don't find yourself in trouble. Number one mistake, not doing enough. How do you avoid this mistake? Research the solar panel installation companies and compare them. Mistake number two, understanding the different types of solar panel installations. How do you avoid the mistakes? You educate yourself on the different types of the solar panels and decide which one makes the most sense for you. Mistake number three, avoid determining the wrong size of your solar panels. Now, when you're out there and you're looking and you're asking around, you need to avoid not having to maintain the solar system. So get something with a warranty. You need something that is practical, and you need to get that up front with the installation process. How much does a solar panel cost? Well, the cost varies depending on the size and the type of system you need. How long does it take to install a solar panel system? Well, the answer is that the installation process usually takes between a few days and a few weeks. How much money do you think you can save on your energy bill? Well, that depends on the amount of how much you're paying your energy company right now in your cost of electricity. What financing options are available for solar panel systems? There's different financing available, loans, leases, power purchase agreements. Pick the one that's best for you. Now, what is the lifespan of your solar panel system? A solar panel typically is going to last between 25 to 30 years, so nothing to worry about there. It's like a roof. Will the solar panel be there and help you increase the value of your home over those years? Yes, it will make it more attractive to buyers knowing that they'll save on the utilities and lower their payment and the cost to own the property. Now, what kind of system you get will determine if you get a battery backup system with it, but make sure that you install something that is according to your roof size and your pitch, if it's flat or not. Yes, it's possible to install it on a flat roof, but you can and will get better results on a pitched roof. Now, where your location is will also determine on what kind of success you get. Now, another question people ask is, what kind of investment is it? Now, the investment return typically takes between 5 and 10 years depending on the cost. So get out there, speak with us, talk to a solar installation company,